Yeah guys, today I'm gonna make banana pudding. Yeah, you see the banana over here. Yeah, and the banana pudding. I'm gonna put peanut butter. Watch, me a create my own style. You understand me? I'm gonna put peanut butter, banana, vanilla, and I'm gonna use the evaporated milk for the mixture. You understand me? After I'm gonna use a little bit of water, then I'm gonna use a lot of water. I'm gonna use the evaporated milk to mix the banana and the flour. So guys, stay tuned. Watch what I'm doing. You guys know the banana in the base. I'm gonna use the fat and mash out the banana. You understand what these are doing? So guys, I'm gonna see what I'm doing. Stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put the banana and mash them up. Guys, now create my own style. Banana. You have banana really. Banana cake. I never seen nobody make the banana cake. So yeah, try the banana. You understand now? Yeah. Yeah guys, you see what I'm doing? Yeah, banana mix out. So I'm gonna put some more of it out. So watch what I'm doing. The banana pudding is bad. Yeah. You guys can add some more banana inside it. Remember guys, baking powder and my nutmeg, little flour, so you don't know anything but sugar. So guys, watch what going on in our kitchen today. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put milk, evaporated milk. Remember guys, banana pudding. I'm gonna put little vanilla. I'm gonna put some baking powder. Here I'm gonna put some peanut butter. See it? Yeah, peanut butter. Guys, remember me, I create my own style, yeah? Yeah. The peanut butter for the flavor with the banana. Yeah guys, so got my peanut butter inside. I'm gonna mix up this. I'm just gonna see what I got. Yeah guys, I'm gonna mix up now. My peanut butter. Mix out the peanut butter in it now guys. Guys, this is the first time, yeah? Believe that. First that. It just, idea just come up in me and I said I go try. So this is a way to. Guys, this is go bad. Then I lie to tell you. That one I go wicked. Yeah guys, so the peanut butter, the banana, the egg, vanilla, and the milk I eat this. Yeah, me no put in my nutmeg, nor my sugar yet, nor the flour. So you go see what I go on guys. Just stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. I want you to drop a comment and tell me what you think about this banana pudding when you finish. Yeah guys, so stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so now I'm gonna put some flour. You don't know flour to make it whole. You have to use flour in it anyway. Now I'm going to use a lot of flour. So that's the flour guys. I'm not put no more flour inside of it. So I'm going to mix up that and I'll see what I go on. Yeah, that's what I go on in the kitchen. So I'm going to mix up this now guys. Yeah guys, so I'm going to put a little water now. You understand what I mean? Yeah. See that? Look what I'm going to see. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour a little water upon it and then I'm gonna put some sugar, grate my nutmeg. I'm gonna go light the stove, the oven for it go on hot. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put them in and make a see what I go on guys. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put a little water. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little water, not too much. Hey guys, so I put this stove to go and preheat. I go taste it. Because you don't know banana sweet, peanut butter sweet. So I go put some sugar. Yeah. I'm gonna add a little more water. I'm not gonna put a whole heap of sugar, guys, because too much sweet no good. Guys, remember me tell you that banana pudding, it have go bad with me peanut butter and me. You understand what I did? You guys, so I go break a nutmeg. Yeah guys, so I put the stove to preheat. The oven it a going hot, so I go so I'm gone in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah. Yeah guys, I go grease up me cake tin them now. The tin them for putting in after them now. And I go grease them up. Yeah. So I go so I go on and I also guys, I'm gonna put some coconut powder. Yeah. So this is the last thing I put in the coconut powder. And then I mix them out. I'm not gonna lump it, I mix out all the lumps, so that's what I never saw I want still, so. Yeah guys, I see that everything down now. Guys, me not lie, this a go bad. Just want to watch the video to the end and drop a comment. Yeah. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in my baking tin and make it see what I want. So stay tuned and watch what I want, guys. Yeah, soon be back. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put them in the oven, you know, you understand what I did? Yeah. So now you stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah guys, soon be back. Yeah guys, so you can see it in the stove. So around the next 45 minutes and them can come out. You understand what I did? Yeah. And 250-degree high. Yeah, that is the lowest on the stove, the oven. And the preheat it 550-degree. When we put them in, we turn it down to 250. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah. I'm out. Yeah guys, this is what I go on in the oven. Yeah. In my bake, so stay tuned and watch how I go on. Soon be back. Yeah guys, look what I go on in the oven. See that? Yeah. It a bake, you mean? Well, I first never do this, so I want to see the finishing look. You want to see the finishing look. You don't know anything set up. Everything have to be for the first. Yeah, but we used to bake pudding differently. You understand, like potato pudding and caramel pudding, but the banana pudding now is the first time me say me go bake banana pudding. And with the banana pudding now, me have peanut butter, vanilla, nutmeg, a lot of ingredients. You understand me? I did so coconut powder, evaporated milk, and really I don't use a lot of water for the mixture. I use the evaporated milk for the mixture. You understand me? I did, yes. So guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. As you can see what I go on. Just stay tuned guys. I'll soon be back. Yeah guys, look what I go on again. I make an update and see everything what I go on until it finish. In our life, tell you. You understand what I did, so when you watch the video, yeah, until the end. You understand what I did, yeah. So stay tuned for the end of the video guys. Soon be back. Guys, watch what I go on again. You see that? Yeah. Soon can come off. Believe that. Guys, that one is wicked. Me don't go sorry you can't smell it through the camera. Believe me. It's bad. Yeah guys, look at this. You see that? Yeah. Now life, you tell them pretty. So what I'm going to do now, I make them cool. I just take them out, so I make them cool. Yeah. Just soft and nice. You understand what I did, yeah? So what I'm going to do, I make it cool. And I'm going to take them out and make them see what I go on, guys. So stay tuned for the finishing look when I take them out of the file. When I take them out of the baking tin and put them on the dish. You're going to see what I go on and you're going to see me cut it. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon be back. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. See that? Look on it. Put it right up in the camera, you can see it. So what I want? Yeah. Finishing look guys. Well at. Me not lie if you tell them. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut it and I'm going to see what I want. You understand what I mean? And look how we come out of the thing. No broke up nor nothing. Believe that. You see that? Come out really perfect. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to cut it and I'm going to see what I want. Yeah. I'll cut that one. Guys, hot. You want cool, believe me. You just want to cool. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Banana pudding. In my banana pudding, we have peanut butter, a lot of ingredients. Yeah, look. Guys, look at that. You see it? Yeah, you just want cool, you want cool, I know, we not like it, tell them. So guys, drop a comment to that one and tell me what you think about me banana pudding. And remember to like the video, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. As a video drop, you can have it. I'm out.